Hi, I'm Fleur, and when you start to see your business through your client's eyes, something shifts. You stop asking, how do I get more leads? And start asking, how well am I supporting the people already finding me? This is where your client journey, your follow up, and your pipeline come together, not as something complex, but as a simple structure that helps you stay consistent. Because follow up isn't pressure. From your client's perspective, it feels like clarity, care, and professionalism. And when you get this right, growth becomes more predictable. If you'd like support putting this into practice, Fleur has created the Next Level Success Workbook. It walks you through your ideal client, your journey, and your systems, step by step. You can download it via the link. And if this way of using AI and strategy feels aligned for you, I'd love to hear from you, and I'll continue sharing more.